We are live. Let's go. Day 20. Let's continue with downloading the data sets and verifying them manually. We're almost done with creation. I'm currently downloading CC matrix, and in the background we're just going to be basically doing the checks for everything we haven't done so far. Let me open up the live chat. Let me quickly share the YouTube live link with the good people of Discord. Okay, just a second. Wrapping up verification of creation data and heading over to Bosnian and Serbian HBS. Let's go, guys. Good morning to everyone just joining. Let's see where we stopped. Let me open up the data verification for creation. So we stopped at ELRC 2542 agriculture. Okay. And so I guess the next one is EMEA. Let me find the data. So agriculture, this was the last one. Let's just resume there. Again, not the most exciting work in the world, but we have to do this because otherwise we'll have shitty machine translation models. You need to read it again. Let's just go through it and read a couple of subsamples so that we can see that it's globally aligned. I'll pass it on to others. Looking good there. I'm just gonna be skimming like this and then picking values here. To može biti u žilama nogu, tromboza dubokih vena. 99979. This may be in the vessels of your legs, blah blah blah. Let me just check one more here because this is a bit bigger data set, obviously. 60650. Ako propuste dozi, ako je propuštenja prošlo manje 7 dana. If the dose is missed within 7 days, inject the dose, blah blah blah. Looking good. Let's go next up. 215586. This is a super big data set. CHMPS slijedom toga smatra da omjer koristi rizika lijeka. Okay, 215586, looking the same. 301817, sigurnosti i delotvornosti idealisiba. 301817, safety and efficacy, it looks the same. Let's go further. 427376, opći poremećaji i reakcije na mjestu primjene. 427376, uncommon anesthesia, fatigue, blah blah blah, chills and pain. Asthenia, umor, preksija, zimica, edam lica, looks the same. Let's go. One more. 565250, manufacturer. Производитель. That's it. That's it. This one looks good. Except for the last one. Belgium. And here it says Czechia Republic. Which is Czech Republic, not Belgium. Lithuania. Germany. This one is good. Izmišljeni naziv. Name. A couple of bad translations there. But okay, we're just looking for any sign of a global misalignment. Let's continue. Vaccination. Whoops. Okay. Immunity usually lasts for years. Okay, looking good there. This is a much smaller one. Let's just Double check a couple of sentences. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, mail. Okay, this is messed up. What are the common side effects? That's good. Upena grlo. 222. Sore throat. Approximately 20% of the population. Blah blah blah. Okay, looking good. 372. EDC fact sheet. Looking good there. 475. Most national vaccination programs, blah blah blah. Okay, looking good. And that's it. This one is a wrap. Let's go. Halfway there. Next one. Publication. Dobro nas često za preuzimanje obveza, zaokružene brojke, commitment appropriations, rounding figures, looking good there. 1412. Uredbom o hitnoj potpori pružaju se konkretna sredstva. The emergency support regulation offers a concrete means to express blah blah blah. Looking good. 2920. This decision shall enter into force on the day. Okay, looking good as well. It's easier for me to start with English, by the way, for some reason. 4824. Any actions in these areas need to take place at the union level. Okay, looking good as well. Let's check out, some of these might be messed up. So 7578. Jeće 062 00062. Looking good as well. 9634. Refurbishment started in April 2016 with the ombudsperson's move. Looking good. And the last one, the European Agency for Safety. Yeah, that looks fine. I'm gonna start and speak in Serbian if I continue like this. Croatian. Okay. Let's add this one and say it's aligned. And let's go to the next one. Antibiotic something page blah blah blah. Let's go to 107. Ciprofloxacin can be given by mouth, so it's easy to take blah blah blah. Looking good as well. Parallel translation. 326 looking good. 568 Mesto za logotyp nacionalnog ministarstva. Placeholder for National Ministry logo. That's good. 829. Stranica 1, blah blah blah. Page 1 of 6, 16 results found. Well, this says 14. Remove this filter audience. Обща populacja. Okay, looks like it's globally consistent. 1056, organizing regular multidisciplinary staff rounds. That's it. This one is good. We can continue. Next one. Europarl COVID. This is a shorter one. Nekoliko hitnih mjera pomoći će sektorima, uključujući bolje mogućnosti. A number of emergency measures will help the sectors. That's the same translation. Let's see this one. 253. On March 23rd, Didier Reynders, the commissioner. Looking good. 433. How the EU is helping. Okay. Making it easier to support medical equipment. Okay, this is good. Next up. This is again some COVID stuff. Europa. COVID. Okay, COVID-19 recommendation vouchers. Okay, that's the same. 325. Article 1F of the Syria regulation. Good. 847. In fact, our standards are far above those indicated by international science. 847. Su granične vrijednosti. Širu javnost najmanje 50 puta niže. 50 times lower, that's it. That's the one. 1264. I likvidnost poljoprivrednika smanjiti. The measure will increase the cash flow of farmers and reduce the... Okay. That's it. You ask yourself, how do I speak so many languages? Croatian, Serbian, Bosnian. I'm a hyper polyglot, guys. What can I tell? 1787. Sweden will guarantee up to approximately 137 million of such revolting. Okay, kinda, but not quite. There are some of these broken sentences. Zračni prevoznik koji posla u Finskoj. Okay. A couple of these are kind of broken up. Let's go here. 2129. Not yet. Okay, this is actually good. And the last one, 2444. Travel information. Okay. Looks to be globally aligned. So it seems like there is only a single one that was globally misaligned. And I was lucky or unlucky enough to notice it immediately. 4874. Ulaganje infrastrukture i tehnologije za digitalno učenje. Investments in digital learning infrastructure and technology. 9403. The general government debt ratio is projected. Okay, looking good as well. 14463. Iako se Unija i njezine države članice, while the Union and its member states have consistent. That's it. See section 361, 18815. Okay. And finally, 21368, notification by Hungary. Looking good. Let's grab this one. Alright. Press corner COVID. The external environment remains challenging. 1167. Komercijalna aktivnost i maloprodaja uz mogući stupnjevit pristup. Okay. 3338, because there is not one single member state. Okay. The findings are presented in the form of traffic light. Okay. And then 5911, conversely, we continue down the business as usual. Okay. That looks good. And then the last one. Will therefore end of 2020. Okay. There are some hallucinations there, but that's it. That's why hallucinations happen in under translations, because of bad data. What else? Okay, this one looks to be very, very big. 85166. Svaka općina koja dobije voucher treba s poduzećem. 166. Each municipality which gets a voucher, that's good. 228767. U tom je smislu potrebna posebnu pozornost posvetiti poreznim mišljenjem. 767. Attention, okay. 534333. The suspects, a doctor and two business women. Okay, looking good. 990185. Looking good. 1304090 assessment of any other element which might cause or exacerbate. Okay, looking good. 1713188. 1713184. This table is intended to specify data to be collected. Okay, looking good. Let's go here. This might be messed up. Actually, it's not. Fairly high quality. Endoctrina disruptina stvar. Okay, 556. EDC. Berlin 605. Berlin. And the last one. Yes. Super big data set. Over 2 million sentences. Let's go to this one. In the background, we are translating CC matrix. Three nine seven three. Isto vrijedi za same odredbe tih kolektivnih ugovora. One 1552, a national rule of practice cannot benefit from the derogation. Okay. 21104. 36 plays first question. Well, this one is long. Looks good. 12355. It is apparent from the order for reference for the Swedish. Okay, looking good. 30575. Looking good. 36348. To the amount of ancillary own fund. Okay, looking good. And let's see the last one. The President of Croatian Parliament coordinated. Blah blah blah. Looking good. Oops. Let's save this. Let's see where we are. I think we are over halfway there. So in total, 49. 37 left to go. I think we'll wrap this up in like maybe 30 minutes. Šestina najveći formalistički domet. Okay. 71140. Hedge fondovi predstavljaju posebnu vrstu fondova. I saw that one here as well. That's it. 200483. In our almanac, we found all data as well. Okay, looking good. Except that there is 363920. Osim toga, naveden je način čuvanja raširenja trake. Calculating street bandwidth. That's good. 522067. The second part of the paper is about corpus research. Looking good. 669631. Suglas između trgovca I kupca. Looking good. And the last one. Structural changes were investigated. Looking good. This one is good. Let's go. Okay, next up, antibiotic again. Okay, page 1, blah, blah, blah. 380C provedbu ciljenih edukacijskih aktivnosti, looking good there. 743 collaborating with the infectious disease, okay, looking good. 957 if you're a prescriber, looking good. And the last one, following antibiotic treatment, okay, looking good. Let's continue. COVID. 387. Put to contact. Okay. 1033. The European Commission also decided on March 27. Looking good. 1560. Smjernice su opća načela za sigurno. The guidelines represent general principles. That's it. 2129, not yet. That's it. And the last one, the polish support measure. Lacks polish, but loans and publication looks everything else looks okay. Some under translation there. That's what's causing later down the pipeline issues with our model. You may need to read it again. This is a big one as well. 118455. Name of the veterinary medical product. Looking good. Dog 472. 472 is dog. And here 472 is Nuspueve. This is a bit messed up. 481. 49. Single use only, 512. There's some messiness, but 230751. A symptom responder was defined as meaning both. Okay, looking good there. 320298. Looking good. 429 271. Looking good as well. And the last one here. Upotreba prsta 93. Using the finger. A bit more under translations again. Missing the B letter. Czech Republika, Belgium. Okay. Some of these are messed up, but globally seems to be good. Okay. Next up, publications. Okay. 1558 with regard to the entrusted entities. 7%. Let me see whether we have 7%. 7%, that's it. Let's go. 5014. Free personal information o nabavi. Okay, looking good. 7785. EU actions will focus on the areas. Okay, looks good. 10797 in advanced economies. Okay, and the last one looks to be some numbers. Croatia, Německa, Germany, Spain, looking good. Let's go here. (3836). The argument frequently put forward by applicants. Okay. Uh, 7016. Some messiness here. Prava. entitlement. Sweden 8.8. Ako se prigovor temelji, ok, 9.891. Međutim, u sljedećim se primjerima smatra da su žigovi vizualno različiti. Ok. 13562, 21999. 562 again. Okay. And the last one looks good. Let's see. This one, 3975. Moreover, the situation remains fragile in many third countries. Nestabilno. Okay, 9966. Mjere uključuju hitnu potrošnju. Okay, looking good. 15311. F promicanje gospodarske. Looking good. 18752. Okay, and at the end, okay, looking good. Let's go. That was Eurolex, now Europarl. We've seen this one already, I think. 2, 4, 5. There's going to be a ton of duplicates in some of these. 25% of students. Okay, and then the last one. Make it easier to import medical equipment. Foreign affairs. Let's go here. 630 financial package for Croatia. Looking good. 1213. Što se tiče mjeriteljstva, ovo primjećuje da je usklađivanje. Okay. 2006 Information Society Services. 2550 third country nationals. Let's go to the end. War and peace, the international economy. Obviously messed up. Facebook translating for Europe. EU careers by the European personnel. Nagrada za izuzetno dostignuće. Presented and published more than 50 scientific papers. There is some messiness obviously here. The selection procedure is as follows. 3055. Okay. Not completely messed up, but there is some misalignment. Let me take one more. And maybe one more here. The case of an official. Okay. Let's continue. Not many more. Government websites. There's some spelling errors here, weird letters and stuff. 2060 7286 13340 18436 1138 2952 4216 5556. Last one. Looking good. I think I've seen that same sentence in one of the previous docs, so there's going to be a ton of duplicates. Can't wait to see how it goes through the filtering stage. One 846. Just I have to set an alarm, otherwise I'll forget some things. Long list. Okay. 3949. Five 697. 6762. Last one. Nice. Let's go. 25 more to go. Rural developments. 1103. 2116. 3011. 3954. Last one. Okay, this is a bit messed up. But in general, looking good. The network will understand that this is the noise. Two 853. Five 102. 7362. 9738. Last one. Last one. Okay. Swedish migration. This one is a bit messed up. $297. Okay, a bit local messiness. And that's it. Looking good there. Okay. Looking good. 20 more to go. Okay, Euro Bookshop. This one is messed up in the download space as well. So I'm going to skip it. We'll have to check what's going on there. And I think in the background we can kick off the filtering of this data while we are doing some other stuff. So in parallel, we can be filtering while we are doing Serbian and Bosnian. Well, actually, because of duplication, we need to actually wait to download all of the data. That's the thing, yeah. 25281, the kit of claim 7. Figure 4, 383. The process according to claim 11. Okay. Some local messiness, but looking good. 73686. The process of any preceding claim. Further comprising a step in which the vaccine. Okay. 97605. Spoiler soul prevenzakta u 6. Okay, looking good there. 130555. Last one. Okay. Less than 20 left to go. GNOME should be messed up, but let's check it out. Okay, this is mostly single word. Mostly single word translation. Four 442. Brisanie 446. Nine three nine seven three 93988. Wait. Hide the entry text. Well, GNOME looks good, mostly. Let's check some of these smaller ones. 11971, copy. 24921. 24914. Huh. Okay, there is some messiness here because, wait. That's actually good. Okay, it's mostly good. 963596. Six 9817. Oftentimes there's just English here as well. What is GNOME? Let's quickly understand what is GNOME. GNOME localization files. Apparently some localization files for like probably software or whatnot. Okay, so let's put in GNOME. Three nine three six. Two three six two eight two. Four three two four two. 43242. 63307. 77095. 94055. Okay, this one looks good. Okay, this one was also messed up somewhat. Let's see what it's about. Maybe let's put always English on this side. Two 6187. 53256. 70462. Eight 558. Oof. Terrible. Terrible. Completely terrible. Seven oh four. Terrible. Three. Doesn't look good. See quickly forward. Very much messed up. A lot of messiness. I think most of them are messed up. This is just a terrible data set. And we also had problems downloading it. Let's go. Mozilla. Seven. Two 2163. Type annotation. 29210. 37444. 43309. 39349. $407. Number 413. 50627. Okay, mostly aligned, not perfect quality, but seven, 4. Okay, much better than this. Is again internationalization. Looks like internationalization dataset. Let's go. Made safe, okay. 37937. Ah, 37937. Five nine three 181783. 98519. 1191813. Okay. That talks. Let's go to Paracrawl. This is going to be a biggie. This is a big one. Oh my god. 236,187. Four three four 581. Good. We are already at 1 million sentences. Okay. Close with love and prayer. Striking. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. And lastly, dark roll is actually fairly good. How was dark roll collected? Let me quickly double check that. Dark roll. How was dark roll collected? Is this like mined? I mean, as soon as you see crawl, it's probably mine, but very high quality. I didn't expect it. So let's just grab that one. QED. In the background, I see that CC matrix is progressing nicely. Okay, I don't even see a sentence here. Okay, a bit messiness there. How is this one collected? I don't know, let's see. War in Bosnia, 6882. Completely messed up. Completely messed up. 68. And like war topics, 68934. A lot of empty lines. 68954. 68985. 737. 96461. 123941. Applause. 142945. That's salt. Laughter. All bad. Messed up. Пропустив съм в столик. Not great. 845. Again, not great. Boy, 861. 212625. So for this one, a lot of local messiness, many empty lines. Looks like subtitles. Probably it is. Let's see what QAD is. QAD. A lot of local emptiness. Set times. This is more of like a use corpus. The fate of reported victims is unknown. Okay, this looks high quality. Tatoeva. Looking good. This looks good. Almost done. 10 more to go. That good. And the last one. 999. There's definitely significant variance in quality across these data sets. Didn't notice any serious issues. Lots of repetitions. Lots of repetitions. Almost looks like it's sorted. Probably is. Good translations, just a lot of these repetitive sentences, they are kind of clustered together. Doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. 558963. Six five nine one one six. Okay, looking good. Couple more and we are done with creation. Ubuntu. There were some issues with this one. Downloading it. A lot of single words, very short. I don't really know Croatian months. Prosinec. Prosinec i decembar, studeni i novembar. November. Looks good. Okay, let's continue. Actually much higher quality than some of the other data sets. UOKPO 21528 and the last one. Okay, actually fairly good quality. Surprise. Online. Wiki matrix. Oh, this one might be a big one. minimize it. That's what I thought. The ship was owned by the Norwegian shipping company. $109,059. The Berlin airlift. 193,519. Looking good. 950. Actually, some of these are higher quality than, even though these are mined, they're not that bad. Okay, this is messed up. Not good. Official website of Henry's. This is all bad. Yeah, as soon as I started praising it, I realized it's not that good. Not great. Looks similar. I can understand exactly why the model is messed up here. It all kind of looks similar in the same space, but not quite. Yeah, a lot of messiness. That was Wikimetrics. Let's go to Wikimedia. I wonder whether the translation gets overwhelmed by some of these big data sets. Would be good to add data labels, which one is mine, which one is by text, and then which data are we dealing with. I understand why adding a data source label could be useful. Okay, let's go. Wiki Matrix was the last one. Now Wikimedia. Wait, let's start again. Zika virus. 7160. The club plays most of the game. Was founded in 1864. Okay, looking good. 18115. Troop morale was low. 24291. So we prepare people. 30248. 34910. 38936. Hey, this actually looks fairly good. It's not a big one. Okay. That was Wikimedia, and now we have XLN. Let's go here. Oh, this is a big one. Eight. Vernon Don Stragili. 556506. I76287. One two nine five seven three three. 1295733. There is a lot of weirdness here. 1295 751. Oh, this is messed up. All of this is messed up. Completely messed up. This is in English, not even translated. The issue here is Many of these are super big. Yeah, those are supposed to be direct translations, yes. But they are not really good. That's what I'm doing, just analyzing data sets and seeing which one is good, which one is bad, and what are the issues. This is completely messed up locally. Yeah, there's many issues. Well, that's it. I mean, when you're dealing with large-scale data, always a lot of issues. We're just looking for whether there is any global misalignment, like where everything is mixed up. Here again, Morgan Bingham. And here we have like Marin Cilic. Completely messed up. This is very, very bad data set. Very bad. Same here. 250. 21. George. Bronco Dassault. Forest Assault. This is like English in Croatian. È stato novo e destinčarski. Oof. Very, very bad. Very short sentences, very bad quality. I wonder how this one was collected. Completely messed up. Most of the translations are just bad. Yeah. The one above DGT was not globally aligned. So this one should be, we need to do something with this one. There's a couple of them that are super messed up. Okay, those are some conclusions. Let's see how this one was built up. Mining CC line. Okay, this is a mined one. I didn't see your last message. of apparently blind. Okay, 82. So a couple more left. So let me see, what did we skip? What did we skip? Okay, this one is running in the background. CC matrix, it's a big one. What did we miss out on? I think we didn't do CC aligned and CC aligned. Did we do CC aligned? I don't think we did. CC. Yeah, we didn't do this one. Let's do CC aligned while we're waiting for CC matrix. CC aligned. This is mined, so it's not gonna be perfect. And it's huge. Wait, did they open up the right one? Okay, there was some error here. Some issues with CC aligned. This one was messed up. Then there is the CC matrix. That's gonna be the 84th here, and then we should have 2 more to go, I think. Let me see. Download. We should have 2 more left. Open subtitles and NLLB, yes. So 3 more to process there, and exactly, so we have 86 in total. So those 2 are downloading. Let me just put didn't download yet. Didn't download yet. And finally, the current one, CC matrix. Okay. Okay, those are some findings there. Corporation. That's a good question. Not sure. We'll see. We'll see. these three are really big outliers. I'm gonna make this one also yellow. So let me make some short update on Discord. Some conclusions. By doing a manual analysis of Croatian data. Three of the 86 data sets are super messed up. UTT reported above, globally misaligned. ADE4, small short sentences, lots of repetition, lots of misalignment, had issues during the download as well, and then XLN, super messed up. Apparently mined using some next up. QD. Okay, let's see what else. Mine data like Wikimetrics superficially looks all right, and then you realize they are not really translations but just similar, which makes sense because they were mined after all. I realized that it's super important to add a data source label while training. Bytext mine Okay. Still some text left for creation, and I'm wrapping up the download of few more data sets. The biggest open subtitles and NLLB. Okay. Hi Tucson, I'm doing great. Thank you for the question. Doing some validation, doing some verification of the data we're downloading. Let me see how this is progressing. Let me see where we are with CC matrix download. Okay, it's progressing, it's taking a lot of time. So while it's doing that, what should we do? Let me check whether CC align was actually downloaded. Correctly, because we noticed some trimming. Okay, and I apparently deleted it, so yeah, we'll have to re-download it again, apparently. Let me see, maybe I preserved it inside of the CC aligned. Yeah, I see now that I did delete it, and there is a big discrepancy between English and Croatian, so probably didn't even download it completely. So yeah, we'll have to repeat that. Okay, let me just check some DMs. Hmm. Okay. Sorry guys, I just have to reply to some DMs. While this is downloading, we just grab the roadmap to the project. Okay. Let me close this up. Okay, this is getting worked on. It's slowly downloading. No, it's actually parsing. Snap. Guys, this is again messed up. I can see Croatian one is messed up. So I'll probably have to re-download. I'm gonna wait for the English one to complete. So what we have to do is, as a check, analyze whether we have the same number of sentences as what Opus GUI is reporting. Okay, that's gonna be the next one. Data, data, data. It's all about data. Okay, what can we do? We're kind of blocked by this. Well, this is parsing. So while it's parsing, we can start playing with Serbian. So let's do that. Or Bosnian. We're gonna first start with Bosnian. So for that, we have to pick, I think, BS here. Let me just open up this. Let's find the Bosnian. It should be BOS or BS. BS, let's see whether we have BOS. Nope, apparently not. There's not that many languages that start with B. Bulgarian, Bambara, Bangla, Tibetan BO, interesting. Okay, let's see how much data we have for Bosnian. So here we have number of documents, number of sentences, 112 million for Croatian. This is hopefully alphabetically sorted. I think it is. We already kind of verified that. Bulgarian. Okay. So we said 112 there. Okay, 95 million here. Interesting. Most of them come from NLLB. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's pick the BS. Let's open up this. Let us ignore list creation. And any one of these, if it's creation, if this is creation or this is creation, if source or target are creation, in that case, we can use ignore list. Yes. Let's rerun this. Let's see what do we get here. I'm gonna put this Opus download Bosnian. I'm gonna separate them by languages. And then here we should have yes as well. List corpora, get the corporal list. Allow list, this is again creation specific for now. Okay. Only if one of this is true. If this is true and this, in that case, go there. Otherwise, we can start downloading our data. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's see what we get here for Bosnian. So I'm gonna run one more. Yes, start another instance. Let's see. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 18. And we here have 19, right? That's the same. Okay, it's the same. Probably Ubuntu is the difference. If we search here, we probably won't find Ubuntu. Yes, we don't find Ubuntu, but here likely we have Ubuntu. That was the difference in the previous one. Yes, that's it. Whereas all of the other ones like Excellent are there, QED are there, TED Talks are there. Anzil, etc., etc. Okay. Well, let's go. Let me collapse this. We should never hit this. And this corpus is CC aligned. Okay. Maybe let's not download NLLB and wait, CC aligned is, how big is it here? Only 0.2. Okay, NLLB and open subtitles. Let's comment them out. Let's make it Bosnian. Ignore list Bosnian is gonna be well, actually same. Let me stop this one. And let's rerun it. Yes. HREN vec corpus. Let me just check one thing. Okay, let me see which one we hit now. Okay, let's download this one. While that's downloading, let's just double check a couple of things. Okay. Again, I'm just DMing privately. Unfortunately, I can't share this. Okay. We are downloading Bosnian. Again, for some reason there is always a discrepancy in CC align for Bosnian. Always less data there. Huh. Actually, that might not be. Wait. Let's go back to here. CC aligned. Well, CC aligned has 0.2 million sentences, so that means, yeah, I think that's good. It's just that English has much more tokens, because it's raw text, but not all of those are translated for Bosnian. It should be fine. And as for Croatian HRB, let's see, maybe we made the same mistake there. I was maybe confused. Let's see, Croatian CC aligned 9.4 million. Yeah, that might. No, that one is definitely messed up because it was trimmed. So something went wrong there. Okay, we'll see. Let's go to Bosnia. Oops. BS. If downloading speed is a thing, Colab has very fast internet where you could maybe download and check the data on the cloud first. No, we have to download it locally because I'll be training locally as well. But thanks for the suggestion. I do have optic fiber. It should be downloading fairly fast. It's actually now parsing. No, it's actually downloading now. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it's progressing. It's 40 gigabytes, so it takes some time. That's fine. Okay, downloading 90%. Quick break, and then we'll continue downloading the Bosnian data. There is still a ton of data work. We're gonna spend probably a couple of days doing this data work to get to the phase where we are basically ready to kick off the training. I don't like the fact that I'm wasting time on waiting for download and limited by compute. I think we need to really prioritize either getting a grant or raising some VC money and creating a company around this and making sure we're open core and have open source checkpoints. That's my thinking at the moment. Either one of those two might work. We'll see what makes the most sense. Okay, short 5-minute break while this is downloading. Be right back, guys. See you in a couple of minutes. And we are back. Let's see how many sentences in Bosnian quickly. So we are here, Bosnian, CC aligned. Let's see how many. Ignore this. Should be around, it says 0.2 million roughly. I think that was the number. I think that was the number here as well. 0.2 million. That's it. That's it. I think we're good here with Bosnian. Let's go to where we stopped at download Opus. Next up is this one. Let's run it. These ones are going to be probably super fast. Yeah, no issues there. Let me just double check. I didn't remove any of the breakpoints here. Oh snap, I did. Well, what the heck. Let's just continue. When did I remove it? I think yesterday when we were downloading Croatian data. At one point I removed it. I think at the very end. Yeah, we went to the very end with download of Croatian. And here we didn't have any issues as far as I saw. So we're good. Okay, here is some error. Aha, this is the EU bookshop. This is the EU bookshop. Are we running? Okay, let me just note that. Let's rerun. Why did we skip? We did not. EU bookshop was 4th. And then GNOME. Again, GNOME has some issues. We know this. Let's just disable all the breakpoints until we get to here again. We know that GNOME has issues. Okay, let's enable them again. Let's add GNOME here. GNOME also. Rerun. Let's go. Let's go. Corpus NLLB, how come? Didn't I say here don't go with NLLB? That's Opus NLLB. Wait. What's going on? Why are we downloading NLLB? Why are we downloading NLLB? Let's find the data. Bosnian NLLB is being downloaded for some weird reason. Now I'm gonna stop this because I told it not to download NLLB. And hence I'm gonna stop this, delete all of this. go back to the code, and why are you downloading NLLB? So I set here to ignore, and then lower. Ignore list Bosnian. Should have NLLB. Okay, let's see. Let's rerun this. CC aligned. EU bookshop. This one's gonna fail as usually. Disable everything. Rerun. Oops. Go back up. Enable all the breakpoints. Run. This is Mozilla. We should not be doing this one. Finally, NLLB. So if corpus lower is in ignore, oh my god, this ignore list in Bosnian needs to be lowercase. Okay. Stop it again. Rerun. Okay, bookshop again, disable, and then enable here. Okay, now we're in skipping those two. Okay, and now we can continue with enable breakpoints. Let's go. QED. Set times. Tatoeba, I think this is one of the last ones. Well, actually, there's 20-ish, so. Okay, Ubuntu. Okay, this one is Ubuntu. Did they mention that Ubuntu had any issues here or what? Ubuntu did have issues, yeah. Okay, so Ubuntu has issues as well. So disable the breakpoints, go back here, re-enable it here and run. Ubuntu has a ton of issues. So same here. And Ubuntu. And probably if we have this KDE4, it's gonna also give us issues. Okay, Wikimatrix, run. Oh no, fuck. Let's just enable the breakpoints. So this was the 15th. 12, 13, 14. Ubuntu was 15th. We had issues there. And then we have the Wikimatrix. This one should be good. This one is just downloading stuff. Bosnian only 43 megabytes. Okay, parsing the file. This will be fairly fast. And we're almost done, I think. I'll have to soon leave, by the way. I have a meeting, physical meeting. Let me just see how many Opus download Bosnian. So we have 16 datasets downloaded. -2 we are ignoring, that's 18. I think this is the last one. Let me analyze the Bosnian data while we are waiting. So I guess it's similar conclusion here with what didn't work. Wikimatrix, Ubuntu was problematic. That worked perfectly. Tatoeba as well. Tanzil. Didn't have any issues as well. Set times, no issues. QED, same there. We skipped these two. These were good. GNOME was problematic as usually. EU Bookshop as well. And these first three were good as well. Okay, let me open up Bosnian and CC aligned in Bosnian. Let me just close up all of the Croatian ones. Okay, back to Bosnian. Close up all of this. Okay, let's compare CC line with Bosnian. Prvi poslanik je bio Nuh, a posljednji Muhammed. Okay. Let's go. 19685. Lokacija u kancelariji besplatne pravne pomoći u zgradi grada Doboja. Again, 19688. Naučni saradnik. Researchers. That's a plural. That's not a good translation. Festival official logo. 7-4 floors. I'm just looking for global misalignment or something that's like very bad. Definicija nasilja. Political violence. Again, bad translation, but kind of good. This is because this is like mind. It sounds roughly okay, but it's almost never completely okay. Head of the Center for Endocrine Surgery. Okay. Izić je osuđen jer je 2008. Procijenio tržišnu vrijednost zemljišta. 404 looks good. $62,832 Train Finance. Ove količine miligrama su neobično niske. 836 looking good. 96500. $96499. Getting to Visegrad. Not quite. Not quite. There's some mess up here. 96512. Interface design, jednostavan za upotrebu. User-friendly interface design. It's actually okay. Department of Chemical Chemistry. That's also good. Let's go. 134833. Data safety. Service računara. That's also bad translation. Usklađeno sa svim vrstama optičkih vlakana, aparat za varenje. 134834. 134834. Match with all kinds of optic fiber. Okay, that's actually decent. Again, decent doesn't mean correct. 157574. Modern Business School. This is messed up. This is roughly good, but not quite. The dates are off. That's for these types of translations, it's always gonna mess up. There's no way mining is gonna do that correctly. RMP 583. Again, messed up. I guess it found the name of the country, and so that's why I thought it's similar. Windows Media Central for Windows 587. Again, messed up. This is usual issues with mine data. Again, Pornhub 1 year ago. Structura website. Hey Nick. You found that the AI program on your university is more of a mixture of AI and embedded systems. It's hard to tell just given that piece of information. You never know. Depends on the professors. Embedded systems could be big. Yes, I think the edge combination of edge and AI might be super interesting. That's like GGML and all of the work that those guys are doing. I think it might be better to open up the discussion honestly on Discord. So just come to the Discord and start discussion in some of the channels like related to job information, interviewing offers here, and I'm gonna be happy to reply there as well, and more people will be able to chime in. But like, as I said, the TLDR is embedded systems plus AI is definitely very exciting area to be working on. Okay, let me open up one more page here. Data verification. English to Bosnian. No worries. Oops, I didn't want a page, I actually wanted database inline. CC outlined. And then we need a piece of text here. We want to call this one notes, and then we want to have one more that's going to be also text conclusion. And here we can say similar notes as for Croatian. It roughly looks good, but almost never is. But oftentimes it's not a good translation. That's CC aligned. Let's go to this one. The nearby Krško nuclear power plant. Okay. 71. The cough, however, may last for more than 2 weeks. 155. Hong Kong trudnoć completely messed up. 159. 163. Okay, roughly good. Super short. Let's go here. Wikipedia Health. We saw this same sentence in the previous one. This is also super short. This is completely duplicate. I think this is this is mostly duplicates with the above one. Wikipedia Health. Let's go with this one. Same here. Oops, I didn't copy the right name here. EU bookshop, this one is messed up. GNOME. One 6350. I have to run soon, guys. Open a new window. 26671. Pomeriumnovi browser. Roughly not really good. 41038. 41038. Tatra Clara, that's good. 51688. 51688. Tražiti aptoteke. Searching for no definitions found. Email. All of these are bad translations. Nisam mogao spremiti dokument because they cut out the context, and without the context this doesn't make sense. It's not precise without the context, but it's a good translation when in the context. Six 5226. Nice. That's good. 82313. Parkersburg. A ton of names. 16501. 95401. It's aligned, but it's just not good. Again, 103180. Open with connect 193 connect. Email Linka 194. Hmm, 106492. 106492. Odbiti. Pitanje. Cool, let's go to the last one, Wikimedia. Pitanje 488 question. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I guess GNOME globally aligned, not the highest quality data. Let's see for Croatian. What did I wrote for GNOME? Okay, let's go further. Whoops. That was GNOME, Mozilla. Request for full screen. This is gonna be like a lot of computer. Oh my god, this is like so low quality. Span 3054. Span visually hidden. Proširina. Read more. This is like 3061. This is like localization stuff, but this is terrible. 5. Just terrible. Just terrible text. 5502. 5502. 7300. 7306. Clear all cookies. I have to go, guys. Let me just wrap up this one last file. Clear all cookies. Clear all current history. One, 2, 8, 2, 4. All of this is going to be filtered out, by the way, by our system, so that's fine. 1, 4, 3, 6, 7. Prijava. 367 Prijava. 18866. About 24673. API. It's actually aligned, it's just terrible oftentimes. 35288. 39077. All this is going to be filtered out. 42581. 44773. Okay, that's the last one for this stream. So that's kind of how Mozilla looks like. Ton of single words and repetition and ton of repetition. Okay. I'm gonna leave this to keep on downloading. And this might be the last one for Bosnian other than the big ones. So yeah, we are wrapping this up, guys, right now, and see you a bit later. I'm gonna continue the stream in roughly 3 hours. I'll let you know in the Discord channel. So keep an eye out for the open NLLB channel. That's the best place to stay in touch with the project. Cheers, guys. Catch you later. Bye bye.